Good afternoon and welcome to the new video from Onwer Cars. This is a 2009 Honda Civic V automatic, second owner, 50,000 kilometers done, white color luxury sedan. Comes with a lot of features, beautiful body line. This is the exterior walk around that I'm giving you right now, so you can see if there are any scratches, any dents or any damages on the exterior of the car. As you can see, the body line of the car is absolutely flawless. There are no scratches, no dents. It's a white color, beautiful shining sedan with excellent tires, excellent suspensions. The headlamps and the fog lamps are absolutely clear. The rear right side tail lamp has got a crack, a minor crack, and the right side tail lamp is absolutely fine. So that's the only damage that I see on the exteriors. By the way, I have done the bumper touch-ups. Front and rear bumpers have been touched up by me. There were scratches on it, so we have done the touch-up job on the bumpers. Other than that, the entire car is in original paint and has not been touched up. The headlamps and fog lamps absolutely clear. The grille is original. The bonnet is original. The left side headlamp and fog lamp. Overall, a beautiful looking sedan. Comes into the budget of a hatchback. It is compatible to CNG. This is how the dashboard looks like. Pretty sporty and grand, isn't it? Like an aircraft. Comes with a lot of features like airbags, ABS, automatic climate control, paddle shifters, integrated music system, electrically adjustable ORVM, alloy wheels. That's the rear seat. The seats are all leather, factory fitted leather seats, so you don't have to install any seat covers to it. The roof lining of the car is all original and absolutely clean. No stains, no damages. Clean interiors, excellent exteriors. I will now take you for a spin and you can see how the car drives as well. The odometer reading, that's 51,000. This is the automatic climate control. So I press the auto button and the air conditioning is on. This is where you get to see the speed. This is the tachometer, shows the RPM and the kilometers. This is the integrated music system with a CD changer, as well as aux here. So you can also use aux in it. I don't know if it has got USB or not. I'm just checking. Okay, so there's no USB to it, but there's aux, it's there. This is the gear shift. So I put it on drive and let's see how it goes. Extremely smooth, and this engine is quite silent. There's no noise from the engine inside the cabin. It drives about 9 in city, 11 to 12 on highways, I would say. Very smooth. Steering is quite responsive and sturdy, not like other Japanese vehicles which have a very light steering. So the steering here is pretty stable and good. Feels good into the hands. The suspension quality is top notch. Absolutely no work required on suspensions. Absolutely no work required on the engine. Absolutely no work required on electricals. Zero malfunctions. A beautiful sedan, merely for 2.5 lakh rupees. You can see it in Navi Mumbai, Nerul, sector 19, plot number 37, or you can see it in Kamote, sector 35, plot number 10. Feel free to call me on 9768-001-006. It's a beautiful car, priced almost at a price of a 2010 Maruti Swift or a I-20. You're getting a fully loaded sedan with airbags, ABS, alloy wheels, climate control, steering mounted, not steering mounted audio controls, but paddle shifters, electric mirrors, aux and integrated music system, factory fitted leather seats with front and rear armrest, excellent tires, excellent body line, excellent suspension and engines. Feel free to reach me on 9768-001-006. You can also WhatsApp me on the same number and you can come for a test drive. Thanks. Bye.